If you don't see results in the first 2 days or the first week, I'm done. That's the mentality of most people. We all have time. No one is patient. What you've done wrong is that you didn't prioritize yourself. I hear so much talk. I don't hear a lot of work. I don't follow people who talk about what they used to do in life. I don't give a fuck what you used to do. What are you doing today? You may not be that person now, but what are you still doing to try to excel in life? There's so many people speaking this shit. I hear a lot of people telling you what you should be doing, how you should be fucking living. And I look at them and you're fat, you look like shit, but you're telling a motherfucker how to live. There's a lot of people talking shit. I don't see the real suffering behind it. We are judging ourselves against too many fucking people. You have to judge yourself against yourself. And once you can silence all that bullshit, all the outside interference and things that are attracting your mind to everything, you can then start to grow.